So if you are not allowing time to recover from stress, it can become unmanageable and it will impact your performance. That usually means that you need even more time to get things done, feeding your stress even more. And stress is not only in your mind, your whole body suffers. Common and obvious signs are perhaps in the unhealthy lifestyle choices or addictions we do to cope with stress. Some people also struggle with sleeping problems. And you very likely notice this. Worries and overthinking can creep into the times you are supposed to relax or refresh yourself, affecting the quality of your rest, that you end up staying exhausted. The less obvious and yet more insidious is this. Chronic stress changes your nervous system and hormonal system, making you prone to mental and physical diseases.